Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's video we'll be making rice and beans. Yeah, we'll be combining the two together. If you have been cooking separate rice and beans and at the end of the day eating it in same plate, why not just combine the two and save your time? But if you don't know how to do it, or you come over, this video is for you. So I'll be using a cup of beans, but you can use any quantity of your choice. You can use more than 1 cup, but personally I'll be using just a cup, and 3 cups of rice. So this is the cup of beans. I will wash it first. Yeah, this is to remove the preservative. We all know that beans is preserved, so I always wash it first before I start pre-cooking. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Yeah, it is ready to be pre-cooked. Yeah, so I'll just introduce it and then cover and allow it to cook. So let's check on it to see how far, and of course it's already pre-cooked. This is half done, half cooked. So at this point, as you can see, it's not really cooked but half cooked. So I will just check, yeah, to see how cooked it is. Then after which I will then introduce my rice. So I told you earlier that I'll be using 3 cups of rice, and don't forget the beans is just a cup. Yeah, but you can use quantity of your choice, but me, I don't like plenty beans in my rice. So this is me introducing my 3 cups of rice inside the pot. I will then stir so that everything can stir very well, so that beans will not be on its own and rice on its own. So that's why I'm stirring it to mix properly. As you can see, there was not much water, so I had to add water that can pre-cook the rice and beans. So at this point it is pre-cooked. That's the rice and beans are fully pre-cooked. So I would then have to check, and of course it is time to wash them off, wash up the starch. Yeah, at this point, we are done washing. See, I washed it more than 10 times. Don't mind me, that's how I wash my beans. So at this point, I had to change pot because obviously the previous pot was very small. So I had to change pot to something bigger. So at this point, I introduced it into boiling water already. So I'll then cover and allow it to cook. Yeah, let me seize this opportunity to thank all my channel subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for deeming it fit to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Join the family. Thank you. So at this point, it is good to go. As you can see, let's see if the beans is soft enough. You see, very soft. So save your time instead of making separate rice and beans, and before you know it, time will be running, my dear. Use that 1 hour to make that two foods together. Yeah, as long as everything will be entering one stomach, and at the end of the day, you'll be eating the rice and beans together. So why not just, combine the two and cook now? Save your time there. So thank you so much. So this is the outcome. This is how I cook it too. I don't want stress. I don't come to this world to come stress myself. So it is done. So this food is for all my new and old subscribers, and to you contemplate whether to subscribe, please do subscribe because this food is coming right to your doorstep.